Welcome back everybody, this is the Google Pixel 10 Pro. It's the new Google Pixel 10 lineup and I'm shooting this video right now in 4K 30 FPS and this should be 10-bit HDR, starting with the ultra wide. Please enjoy. Still using the ultra wide. Let's try to test the stabilization of the ultra wide as I'm trying to jump this cliff here. And now it's time to go to the main wide camera. Alright, this is 1x guys. Starting running through the beach and testing the stabilization. As I'm gonna give you this very beautiful view. Late September, Greece. 2x crop from the main camera guys. The Pixel 10 Pro XL and the Pixel 10 Pro have the same camera setup guys. So it's an ultra wide 48 megapixel. We do have the main wide and the periscope 5x, and this is the 5x right now. Zooming in so you can enjoy, and I can go up to 20x. So this is 20x guys. Now back to the ultra wide 5, ultra wide 1, ultra wide 2, 5. Alright, now let's try to do the zoom lens cycle. Okay. In 4K 30 FPS, 10-bit HDR, this is what you'll get. Alright, let's look at like this, 20x again. Alright, and now back to 1. How close can we get to the objects, guys? Because the new Pixels support the macro photos as well. But you cannot use this in this mode apparently. Alright, enjoy. Shooting against the sun, and what you see there is the beautiful mountain with the Miligas peak guys. This is it in 20x. Now let's go back to the ultra wide, and now let's go back to 1x, starting to run again to test the stabilization. Alright, let's try how quick it can zoom and focus on objects. 2, 1, 5. All right. Now back to 1. How good is the sky? How blue is the sky? How green is the green, guys? Take a look. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Okay. One more run to test the stabilization. .5x, and we can do up to 20x. All right, now let's do ultra wide 5, 2, 1, 5, 1, 2. Let me know, guys, what do you think about the zoom lens cycle. It isn't the best, but hey, this is the HDR video. So let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to follow the next ones, because there's gonna be plenty of comparisons. Alright, and I'm finishing off with this beautiful 20 zoom and with this beautiful nature here. Stay safe.